Like and subscribe. Maybe donate to the Ramen Raider, link in description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail, and today I've got something from Slurp and Crunch. It's a blog devoted to Korean food, and this is something that they decided to send. So I think you can read the package, but let's crack it open and have a look. Oh, wow. So I'm guessing you expected to see this, and this is Tteokbokki style noodles with, and it looks like it's udon with Tteokbokki sauce. Tteokbokki is a cylindrical rice cake, usually served with a sweet and spicy sauce. It's one of my favorite things on the planet. When I've had it, sometimes it has egg with it, like hard-boiled egg. Sometimes it has Busan fish cake, other types of fish cake, and yeah, maybe carrot, jagged sliced carrot. But yeah, it's really, really good. And this is kind of a spin on it because it's a Nongshim thing. It's Tteokbokki noodle, but I think what you got here is udon with Tteokbokki sauce on it. That sounds good, so I'm excited. I was told about this by Slurp and Crunch, and you can go over and check out her website over here. There'll be a link and all that good stuff. But yeah, this looks good, so thank you very much. I am really looking forward to giving this a try. All right, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.